In this video, I'm going to use AI to hack my website and do the vulnerability analysis on my app generated by AI itself. So this is an app that I used AI to build from front end to back end, everything. So I did my security analysis in detail and it is working fine. But now I'm going to test this free AI tool that actually does ethical hacking on your website and test for vulnerabilities. First, I'm going to go my file here. So as you can see, it's already downloaded. I'm going to extract that. Let me do this. And then you need to create a new folder. I've already done that, Shannon here. I'm going to add my repo here. So here, repo and new folder, copy rocket. And here I'm going to paste that. So let me just download. Let's see, download is done. I'm going to copy all the files here and put that into my repo here. So let it move. And after it's done moving onto your folder, and you can see it is here with the front end and the back end. And this is Shannon AI, which you can download from the GitHub. I will already clone that. Just you need to type this and clone that into your local PC. And I'm already in Shannon folder, the export the tokens. You need to also do that, and in your env file you must have the Anthropic API key. If you don't have that, you must have the Open Router API key. You can also use that with the help of Gemini as well. So let's go ahead and run the test. We need to open the Docker here. Let's open it. Make sure the Docker is open, and let me see if Docker is running. Okay, so Docker is running. Let me quick log in to my account, and it's done. So let me go here again, and okay, so it start. So let's hope for the best. If it's actually passed the vulnerability test, there you go. Right now actually downloading all the dependency. Downloaded around 77 dependencies, all the security tools, and now it's going to run and exporting that to image. Container is now ready, and now you can see it's running. So this is your workflow ID. You can use that to launch. Let's click on the open to get all the background logs that are working right now. Now you can see if you type this, it will open your web view that will show you currently working ID, and let's click on it. So it's currently running. As you can see, Pentest pipeline workflow has been started. Let it complete and we will see the results. Okay, so let me give you the update. I top up my Anthropic API key from $25 and it was already $5, so around $30 were there. Now as I reload it, let's see the cost analysis. It's about $11 spent and it's still running. As you can see here, everything is running. And let me show you, there is audit logs. In the audit logs you will find your audit log ID, and there you have two folders. One is agent. So if you click on the agent log, it will tell you what it's currently working on right now. So currently it's working on synthesize all findings into a comprehensive security report. And if you see here, there is a prompt also. So this is the gigantic prompt that you can also use while vibe coding, which I can also include into my workflow. So let's see the deliverables. If my app is vulnerable or not, we will find that in the report. I think we have done extensive research on how to make your AI app secure. So we have made every possible security analysis on our app. So let's see if this can find the bug or not. If you want to learn more about how we did it, go to the promptslab.com and sign up for the paid account. There's a course how to develop a SaaS app. There's a section, the security analysis, where you will find all the prompts. So let it complete and let's see if we get our app vulnerability passed or not. So it's been passed and it's still running. This is the app, and it actually created multiple accounts here. Few are automatically banned using my security system. This was banned because it's trying to penetrate some part of the app. And there's also some add this test user info at copyrocket.ai to see if it's actually working, giving the domain name. And there's also some odd test from mailnator.com, which is already exploited, and it's trying to exploit as much as it can. Let me show you the cost analysis, and if I go to the billing here, it shows only $6.7 remaining, but I have paid multiple times. As you can see, credit. Let me show you the usage here. So today total token use is 53 million tokens, and it cost around $74.4 until now. The model is using 4.5 Sonnet and Haiku 4.2, so it's not even an Opus. So thankfully it's just using the base models and mixture of base models. So let's go to my API keys, billing section, and see how much is left. It's about $5.49 remaining. Log is still running and testing it using its agents multiple times. So let's wait it to finish, and after it finish, I will show you the reports of my app. It's completed all this agent breakdown from pre-recon, injection vulnerability, injection exploit, access vulnerability exploit, and authorization vulnerability exploit, and there's a report also. So it says total cost is around $40, which is not at all true. And if I go to my billing section, I still have around $14 or $15. And the cost analysis, if I do, this is the cost analysis. So how much I have, total cost was around 85. It's actually double the cost as it's suggested. So it's not at all $40. It's about $85 to run one task. So it also depends on your repository or on your code base. If it's very huge, and you are going to spend more. Where you will find your analysis, you will find analysis in your app, which is in the deliverables. So this is the deliverables. You will find everything here. These are the reports of each analysis from the SSRF analysis, etc. And even in the inside of deliverables, there's another folder called deliverables. There you have a comprehensive security analysis report. We passed on this. Okay, so there is SQL injection. That's great. The server side request forgery, SSRF. There's only two high which we are going to implement, and there is export services and ports. So these are the ports that is exposed, so we need to apply some security to it. And there is a security relevant findings, so infrastructure configuration, and there's a web server. This is injection exploitation evidence, successfully exploited vulnerabilities. No, there's nothing. This is the detailed report that we need to apply to our website. So this is great, to be honest. I didn't know about this authorization vulnerability of these two, which I'm going to implement, and also the enumeration via district errors, which I'm going to implement as SAP. This is a really detailed report. It actually used 54 million tokens to generate this and ran about 2 hours to exploit in and out of our app to find the vulnerabilities. And now you can use this data to hack proof your websites. So this is great tool. Do check that out. I will put the link in the description box. And this is how you can use AI to hack your website and find vulnerabilities, such that you can use even AI to fix those vulnerabilities using this report. This is the era we are living in. I'm loving it. How did you find this video? Do let me know, because I spent around $90 to show you how does it work. If you want to support me, do subscribe to this channel. Also the promptslove.com. You will find loads of tutorials there which you may not find anywhere else. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.